In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar for business. Google Calendar is an incredibly powerful tool that can help you stay organized, keep track of appointments, and ensure everyone in your team is on the same page. It integrates seamlessly with other Google services, making it a great choice for businesses looking to streamline communication and scheduling. Let's dive right in and get started. First, you'll want to head over to Google Calendar. Simply open your browser and type in calendar.google.com, and you'll be taken to the main Google Calendar interface. If you haven't already, make sure you're signed into your Google account to see your personal calendar. Once you're in, you'll notice a left sidebar that contains various options. Look for the section labeled Other Calendars. Right next to it, you'll see a plus sign. Click on that plus sign, and from the drop-down menu that appears, choose Create New Calendar. This is where you'll set up a dedicated calendar specifically for your business activities, which can be incredibly useful for keeping your professional and personal appointments separate. Now, you'll need to name your new calendar. Consider naming it something evocative of your brand or business, such as your business name calendar. This will make it easy for you and your team to identify it quickly. Once you've chosen a name, click Create Calendar and you're all set. With your business calendar ready to go, it's time to start scheduling events. To do this, navigate back to the main calendar view and click on a time slot that you want to book. A pop-up will appear allowing you to schedule a new event. Here, be sure to give your meeting a clear and descriptive title. This helps both you and your guests know exactly what the meeting's about at a glance. If you're inviting others, you'll want to make use of the Add Guests feature. Enter their email addresses and Google Calendar will send them an invite. You also have the option to set the location of your meeting. If it's a virtual meeting, consider using Google Meet, which you can easily integrate into your event invitation. Don't forget to add an agenda or any important notes in the description box to ensure everyone is prepared. For recurring meetings like weekly catch-ups or monthly reviews, you can save time by setting the event to repeat. You can choose the frequency that works best for you, whether that's daily, weekly, or monthly. This ensures your calendar remains structured and up to date without needing constant manual input. And that's it. By following these steps, you'll have a functional Google Calendar set up for your business. This tool not only helps keep you organized, but also enhances team coordination and productivity. Feel free to explore additional features such as reminders and event color coding to tailor your calendar experience to your specific needs. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope you find these tips helpful in managing your business with Google Calendar.